All right, y'all, so this is a 1988 Land Rover Defender. Frame off restoration was done just 520 miles ago. It's absolutely incredible condition. I believe the interior is all new. We like to bring in cool vehicles here. A lot of Jeeps for sure, but other special vehicles as well, unique vehicles. There's even room back here to sit in. I'm not very familiar or familiar at all with these vehicles, but you don't have to be an expert in automotive history to know that this is really, really cool. My colleague and I was part of a deal earlier this month where we saw, I think it was a 1988 as well, but that one was a right-hand drive and manual. This one's automatic, so I can drive it. But look at this, y'all. It is available for sale. We don't just collect them for collection's sake. This is available for sale. It's automatic transmission. Check out the front here. This one is unlocked. There you go. It's a quick video here just showing you this really, really cool vehicle, a 1988 Land Rover Defender. We have this on for sale right now. Check the description for the price. And if you're interested, you can contact me and text me at 502-509-1703. Thank you very much.